castor oil is a substance with a rich history in traditional medicine and industrial applications. This plant-based oil is obtained through the cold press method and is known for its chemical composition, particularly its high content of ricinoleic acid, which is a unique component with distinctive properties. Ricinoleic acid, classified as a monounsaturated fatty acid, forms a significant part of the chemical structure of castor oil and is known for its specific characteristics. Historically, castor oil is recognized in various cultures for its medicinal properties used in traditional medicine. Due to its laxative effects, it can be used as a digestive aid. Additionally, when applied topically, it can have anti-inflammatory effects, making it useful for soothing skin irritations and joint inflammations. Apart from its medical applications, castor oil is also utilized in industrial settings for its benefits. Its viscosity makes it useful in the production of soap, cosmetics, and various oil-based products. While castor oil offers various benefits, it's essential to approach its use with caution as individual reactions may vary. Like any natural product, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating castor oil into health and beauty routines. What are the benefits of castor oil? Castor oil can be used for various purposes in traditional medicine and the cosmetic industry. The benefits of castor oil may include anti-inflammatory properties. Castor oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can contribute to the healing of skin issues, joint inflammations, and other inflammatory conditions. Skincare. Castor oil is a common ingredient in skincare due to its ability to deeply penetrate the skin with its ricinoleic acid content. It can effectively moisturize the skin, alleviate dryness, and strengthen the skin barrier. Hair health. Castor oil can nourish the scalp, reduce hair loss, strengthen hair strands, and enhance hair shine. It also contributes to healthier hair overall. Eyebrow and eyelash care. The benefits of castor oil extend to eyebrow and eyelash care, improving their health and appearance when applied to these areas. Antimicrobial effects. Castor oil possesses antimicrobial properties, helping to prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi on the skin. Constipation treatment. In some cases, castor oil can be used for constipation treatment due to its laxative effects. However, medical supervision is necessary in this regard. The answer to what does castor oil do encompasses the various benefits mentioned above. However, it's important to note certain considerations regarding the benefits of castor oil. Factors such as dosage, application method, and individual health conditions are crucial for ensuring the safe and effective use of castor oil. Consulting with a healthcare professional before use can help minimize potential risks and side effects. Benefits of castor oil for hair. Castor oil is a highly important substance for hair health. The answer to what does castor oil do for hair can vary. The benefits of castor oil for hair may include adding moisture to hair. Castor oil, especially rich in ricinoleic acid, can be beneficial for dry and damaged hair by providing moisture. Additionally, it contributes to improving overall hair texture and reducing moisture loss. Stimulating hair growth. The use of castor oil can stimulate faster hair growth. Ricinoleic acid, the main component of castor oil, can enhance scalp circulation, supporting hair follicle health and promoting faster hair growth. Improving dandruff and scalp health. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can be effective in combating dandruff and other scalp issues. Using castor oil can contribute to improving scalp health and reducing flakiness. When used for hair health, castor oil can offer these different benefits. However, it's crucial to consult a physician before applying castor oil to hair to prevent any adverse effects. While castor oil has potential benefits and uses, it may not be suitable for everyone and can cause adverse reactions in some individuals. Especially for individuals with skin allergies, dermatological issues, or scalp sensitivities, using castor oil without caution can lead to unwanted effects. Therefore, consulting a dermatology expert before using castor oil is highly important. A dermatologist can evaluate the suitability of castor oil based on skin type, presence of any skin conditions, known allergy history, and provide personalized recommendations.